girl went shopping, and I just come out of the Time Warner Center on my way home to take a treat. Anyway, I'm here to talk about this cool business what I'm doing. It's called PWA. It's Partner with Anthony Morrison. Come join me, join Anthony in this business, because we, like all the members in this business, we all are seeing success. We all getting good results, and this is a new business that just launched. We just launched this business, and the members are so excited. Every time we make sales, we show it in the group. We have the Success Connection group, and every time the members make a sale, they just put a picture of the sale in the Success group. So, I want to introduce you to this business. It's really, really a good business for people who are struggling. I have a lot of people out there who are struggling online, spending so much money to different businesses, and they're not getting the help that they need. But with this business, what I've been in other businesses before, and sometimes you feel like discouraged, but I'm not the type of person to give up easily. I just stay persistent, and I work the business. I just work until I see success. But when I saw Anthony Morrison email he sent me, which was an awesome email, I clicked into it, and I was so happy that I clicked into that email, because, oh my God, I'm seeing results. I am seeing results fast compared to other businesses that I've been into. I've been into other businesses, and I did not see results like how I'm seeing results in this business. So I'm telling you, if you're struggling like how I used to struggle to do different businesses, and you want to see results fast, I'm telling you, go ahead and click on the link at the bottom of the video. Okay, just click on the link. It will take you to the Partner with Anthony Morrison. Bye-bye. Have a blessed day. Don't forget to click on that link. I'm still on the video. Yeah. You're just browsing. I'm walking to the subway station.
Here you're seeing information here. If you're looking for more information on the PWA 2019, you could partner with Anthony Morrison. Click the link for more information. And that's the bottom of the link you can click. Bottom of the video. The cost for this program is just $7. Anthony's practically giving this away. The value for this program is worth much more. He gives you 20 different video training sessions, which allows you to start your business within hours. You don't have to search for products or create your own. Anthony takes his time to show you step by step on how to work this business. Each session has 4 to 7 module trainings, which you have to apply until you complete for the next session. I've been working with Anthony to improve my lifestyle, and I'm already getting results. Anthony Trainings teaches you how to create a YouTube channel, how to create a playlist on YouTube, how to create your own email autoresponder, your own email lists with the most up-to-date email building strategies, how to create your own funnels. He also creates funnels for you without you paying an extra dime. All this is included in the Partner with Anthony sessions and lots more. Here you could find out how to work with Partner with Anthony PWA, just like I am doing right now. Click the link right here. Click the link at the bottom of the video. This is one of the best programs I have personally ever been a part of, and I'm already getting results from it. I believe that if you take action by clicking the link to learn more about it, you'll find it very beneficial to you as well. You'll be amazed at all the awesome trainings Anthony offers in this program. Create your free sales funnels here. Click on that link to create your free sales funnels. The amazing selling secrets of the world's #1 highest paid speaker. You could click on that link so you can see what it's about. create your email autoresponder here. Click on that link. Use this to track your visitors. That's the link there. Connect with me online. Follow me on Facebook here and here. I have 2 fan pages. I believe that if you take action, click the link and learn more, you'll find it very beneficial to you as well. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.